right, I am looking at my side of the Schoology page, which has a lot of extra stuff. But what you will see is right down here at the bottom. Okay, every week I'll put all your assignments in one folder. There's not that much to do, but it will say the week and when it is due. So you actually have a little extra time. This assignments aren't going to be due until April 10th. So if I click on that, I'm going to have you first do journal 2, all right, just like a normal journal assignment. Click on it, submit. Your keyboarding assignment, all right, is going to look like this. Go to this link, pick a game to play at least twice using your correct typing skills. So fingers on the home row. When you finish the game, take a screenshot of your screen so I know how it ended. Upload both pictures to this assignment. So when you take a screenshot, it saves to the files on your Chromebook. Over here on your submit button, okay, you should be able to upload those files directly from your Chromebook. If you forgot how to take a screenshot, there's a how-to video on our homepage. So if I go back here to study skills, again, you don't have all that stuff to scroll to. How to take a screenshot, it gives you a YouTube video. Okay, we're gonna go back to week 1. So journal 2 keyboarding assignment, the third and final thing you have to do is your career focus assignment 1. So we're gonna kind of take the project we were gonna finish up with quarter 4 on and just divide it into a couple smaller assignments. So first, it asks you to pick a job that you are interested in that does not require a college degree and tell me what that job is. So for this first question, you just have to tell me what the job is that you're going to research for this short assignment. It can require on-the-job training or an apprenticeship, but should not require a bachelor's degree or master's doctoral degree. Those are those extra things you do after your first 4 years of college. If you can't remember a job that requires no college degree or aren't sure, you can go back to My Next Move and it will pop up with just the zone. So if I know zone 1 and zone 2 most likely don't have to have a college degree, maybe I click 2 and it's going to give me all the jobs it considers a career or zone 2. So if you forgot, you can look through this whole list, or you can go back to those Google Sheets that we worked on if there was one that you were really interested in. Now, the place you're going to find your information for this assignment is not that same site. Okay, when you start this assignment, it will give you a link. It says, use this site, also linked in the assignments folder for this week, to find information for the questions in this assignment. Okay, so this is something new that we have not yet looked at. I know a couple of you sent me a link to this. Okay, so thank you to whoever did that. But this is a little bit different information that we've looked at before. All right, so if I'm back at question 1, again, mine looks a little different because I'm on the teacher side. So the question 1, you are just telling me what job you're going to look up. So I'm going to do this as electrician. Okay, that's going to be the job that I'm going to use. So using complete sentences and your own words, do not copy and paste. Give a 3 to 4 sentence description of what the job you've chosen does. Click on the tab, what do they do, to find your information. So remember, we're going to this site, the Occupational Outlook Handbook. I'm going to type in electrician. Okay, it's going to give me any job that probably has anything to do with electricians right here, but I'm going to pick the first one because it's just electrician. Okay, so the first question said, click on the tab, what do they do, and find your information. So, what do they do? Read through this and in 3 to 4 sentences of your own words, describe what it says. Now, you can use some of the specific things it talks about in here, okay, but I don't want you to just copy and paste this paragraph and submit it to me. Okay, you're going to have to use some of the words like electrical equipment, things like that, but use your best way of describing it. I want to know what you think they do. All right, that's question 2. Question 3, under the tab that says how to become one, there's a section that says important qualities. List the main words that are in bold. All right, so first we have to find how to become one. Okay, then next it said important qualities. So scroll down, important qualities. I want you to put in a list, so you don't type out full sentences, the skills that are listed in bold here. So I would type color vision, critical thinking skills, customer service skills, physical stamina, physical strength, troubleshooting skills. That's all you do for question 3. I don't need the description of what they are, just those 6. Okay, if you don't know what something means, it might be useful to read the description, but you don't have to type it out. Okay, question 4. What is the average salary for your job? It's probably shown on a graph underneath the pay tab. Make sure you report what the average salary is for the job you're looking at. Okay, so I'm going to go back up here to the pay tab. Okay, over here is maybe some different statistics. Okay, but over here is a graph. Okay, this is the number you're looking for. Median, which is another way of saying average annual wages, 55,190. So that would be what I would type in for number 4. Number 5, Job Outlook predicts the employment needs for this job in the future. Using a sentence or two, describe what the job outlook is for this career. So, Job Outlook. Okay, read through this a little bit. Describe what you think it's going to look like in the future. Okay, is there going to be a lot of jobs for this career? Is it kind of slowing down? All right, and last one, number 6. After learning a little more about this job, are you more interested in this career, less interested? Did anything surprise you? So just use a sentence or two to describe your feelings about this career now. All right, so just to review real quick, the only reason you're going to go to My Next Move, the site that we had gone to before, is if you can't think of a job that requires little to no schooling. All right, so there you can look through 1 and 2. Remember, some level 3, zone 3 jobs have little training required. Okay, but that's the only thing you're going to use this site for. This site that's linked in the instructions before you start the assignment, it's also going to be in that Schoology folder, is what you do to find your information, because up here is exactly the categories you need to look through. If you have any questions about this assignment, please email me. All right, I will grade them as soon as I can, but I'm going to be grading a lot of other stuff on the computer for my other classes too. So any questions, give me an email, awhite@superiorwildcats.org. Other than that, I hope your social distancing is going well and you're staying away from people so that you can stay safe, and hope to hear from you soon. Goodbye.